get wild. Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt! 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 And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser. Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashlow. Kozlov.
Predator, prey.
Oh, special effects!
Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow! Whoa! Judy, Nick,
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea. We love what we've got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way.
Neighbor to neighbor. Predator,